Hello! The topic of today's lesson is adverbs of frequency. Здравейте! Темата на днешният урок е наречие за честота. The adverbs of frequency describe how often an action happens. Наречията за честота показват колко често се извършва дадено действие. There are 6 main adverbs of frequency in English: always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, and never. Where do we write them in a sentence? Къде ги записаме в изречение? You write them after the verb to be. For example, there are always lots of people in the city center on Saturday nights. Also, we write them between the subject and the main verb in positive and interrogative sentences. For example, I often come here. Do you often come here? And in negative sentences, we write the adverbs of frequency between the auxiliary verb and the main verb. For example, Kate doesn't always get up early. They don't often go to the cinema. The adverbs of frequency are keywords for simple present tense. Наречията за честота са ключови думи за сегашно просто време. And you can see a few example sentences. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. I never stay late. I often visit my grandparents. Всички тези изречения са в сегашно просто време. В тях са използвани наречия за честота и понеже изреченията са положителни, наречията за честота тук се намират между извършителят на действието и смисловият глагол. That's all about adverbs of frequency.